That's really good. Good morning, beautiful. Welcome back. Today we're taking it slow. We're having a self-care reset. I'm starting with affirmations. I recorded these affirmations using Apple's voice memo. I deserve to take up space in this world. I deserve to be here. My presence is a gift. Healthy eating is simple. Consistency is simple. Exercise is simple. Following affirmations, we'll be doing a mini facial at home. I just lit the sweet pea candle I purchased from Target. Now I'm preparing to put water in my favorite steamer. This is the Lenovo steamer, which I purchased from Amazon. I absolutely love facial steaming. So relaxing, so calming, and it just allows me to get a deeper cleanse. Now that we are all cleansed, I will be applying this Dead Sea Mud Mask by New York Biology. This mask leaves my skin feeling very fresh, very smooth to the touch. So I'm going to apply this and leave it on for the recommended 10 minutes. Now I'm moving on to my hair mask. I'm using Raw Sugar's Mighty Curls. This smells absolutely divine. I absolutely love this part of my self-care routine. Curls are like plants to me. They take a lot of nurturing, so whenever my curls are a little bit off, it lets me know that I'm not fully tending to my hair care needs. So I just love to take my time and nurture my curls, and I'm on a journey to bring them back to life. Now that the mask has been fully applied to my hair, I will be applying this plastic cap. I purchased this from Target, and it allows the moisture to penetrate a little deeper into my hair. Nothing to do with the video, but I hated how my coffee table was decorated, so I'm just showing you guys what I did with it. Now I am moving on to watering the plant babies while my hair mask and my face mask sits for a while. Nurturing plants is so important, similar to nurturing my curls. Whenever the plant babies are down, wilted, or just something's not right, it lets me know that I'm not tending to the needs of my home. I don't have too much cleaning to show for you guys, just these few dishes and a load of laundry. I performed a deep clean yesterday, hence the reason why my nails are looking so crazy in this video. For today's shower theme, I wanted to go with pink rose. So I'll be starting with the Method Body Pure Peace. I'll be following that with the Tree Hut Moroccan Rose Scrub. And then the Moroccan Rose Body Butter, also by Tree Hut. And then lastly, I'll be applying the Victoria's Secret Bombshell. It's pink, it's airy, it smells lovely. And yeah, I just love having a scent theme while I shower.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it.
I'm just using the Dove Sensitive Bar Soap here, just trying to create a nice little lather.
You try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
I smell so good after that shower. Oh my gosh. So I'm going in with the CEO Glow oil. This oil is very thick, so keep that in mind if you are oily skin, which I am. And then after that, I'll be going in with the CeraVe SA cream, which is also thick, so I'll be switching that up once I run out. And then lastly, of course, we have to follow with some sunscreen, and this one is by Elta MD. Some devotional time with God. I'm using the One Year Bible by Expressions. Like the title mentions, this book will allow you to read the Bible in 1 year's time if read on a daily basis. Devotional time is just so important. Next, I'm moving on to gratitude, and let me tell you guys, gratitude has honestly changed my life. I know that once I began to practice gratitude on a daily basis, things just started to move for me at such a rapid pace, and that's things, not just material, but I had an abundance of internal shifts as well. So if you do not have a gratitude practice, I highly recommend that you adapt one and see what gratitude can do for you.
Feelings about you. Oh, yeah. Butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh, yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no.
Hey everyone, if you are still here, thank you so much for sticking around. I was able to really just take my time in the shower. I feel fresh, I smell good, I just feel so good. I'm allowing my hair to air dry. I'm not that great with the diffuser, so I'm just gonna allow it to do its thing. I do have a few errands to run, so we are going to head out and I'm gonna take you with me. But before that, let me show you guys what I got on. So I'm just wearing this crop top style ribbed shirt. So it's this long silk skirt, and then I'm pairing it with this. Can you let them know I want light ice?
Light ice?
Yeah.
Can you do light ice on the side? Hot light ice on the side.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so my first stop was to Starbucks. We've been in fall for how long, and I have not had any pumpkin spice. This will be my first time trying this. I got the chai tea iced latte with pumpkin spice cold foam. So let's see. That's really good. It's giving me very like cozy vibes, because there's a lot of cold foam on top. Like, that's the initial taste you get, and then you get the chai like as you drink more. But it's really good. That's good. Okay, so I'm going to go run and get some salmon and Brussels sprouts, because that's what I plan on making later for dinner. And then I'm gonna head to the Dollar Tree to get a gift bag and a card for my friend. And then I want you guys to help me pack her birthday gift. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, y'all, so I am now at the Dollar Tree. I just refuse to spend so much money for like birthday bags and cards. So I'm trying to find my friend a card or birthday bag, but the only thing is sometimes they're so freaking childish. So wish me luck. I think I found one. Her gift will be a self-care bag. I'm starting with You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero. Awesome book for beginners getting into self-care. I am adding this vase, which I sell on Etsy. It's all for body positivity. I'm adding the Coca-Cola Tree Hut Shea Body Butter. Smells so good. And I'm adding its sister, the Shea Sugar Scrub, also in Coca-Cola. With that, I am adding this sponge. It is a great exfoliator. And then this I Need Vita C Brightening Eye Mask. I also threw in a Snell facial sheet mask, which is not included. I hope she loves it. And thank you guys so much for your continuous support. Please subscribe if you are not.